Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices on the same network because direct transfers rely on shared connectivity. Enable Wi-Fi on your Android and PC now and make sure they appear on the same router. While you're at it, turn on Bluetooth for nearby share or tethering if needed. It helps discovery. Install the app you'll use next, FTP Server, SSH Server, or Microsoft Your Phone because setting software first prevents interruptions. Once done, you're ready to launch the chosen app and proceed. Now you create the actual link between devices. Open the Android app and locate the IP address and port or the pairing code. That's how your PC finds the phone. On the PC, enter that address in File Explorer, an FTP client, or Your Phone app, depending on the method. Make sure to accept authorization prompts on Android and grant storage or media access so transfers work. Once connected, confirm the listing of folders or the active session to ensure data can flow both ways. Finish by transferring and securing the session. You can drag and drop files in Explorer, use the app sync feature, or run scp/rsync commands for bulk moves. These methods control speed and integrity. When done, stop the server app on Android or unpair Bluetooth so background services don't remain exposed. If something goes wrong, check the PC firewall, confirm both devices share the same IP range, and verify the app has storage and network permissions. Then retry. Small network mismatches are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.